Many people in Seoul are hoping the U.S.-North Korea nuclear summit will improve the prospects for a lasting peace in the region, even if no definitive denuclearization deal is reached.
What we want is peace. I wish that the summit works out well so that peace comes to the Korean Peninsula.
Prior to the Singapore meeting between U.S. President Donald Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, there have been rallies in Seoul by groups urging the two leaders to end the U.S.-North Korea nuclear standoff with a peace treaty. Conservative groups have also held demonstrations to urge the U.S. not to compromise with the repressive Kim government that has broken past denuclearization promises. But public opinion polls show strong support for progressive South Korean President Moon Jae-in's diplomatic efforts to persuade the North Korean leader to agree to denuclearization talks. Kim's popularity in South Korea increased significantly after the Inter-Korean summit in April, where he was seen by many as non-threatening and open to compromise.
Regarding Chairman Kim Jong-un, I used to have a negative impression of him, but after seeing him on TV at the last summit, my impression of him improved a lot.
Trump's favorability rating in South Korea has also improved in advance of the Singapore summit. Many in Seoul still worry that the U.S. and North Korea will not be able to resolve their differences, as Washington wants complete denuclearization before any sanctions relief, and Pyongyang wants concessions tied to each phase of the process. After temporarily pulling out of the summit earlier, Trump has said he is prepared to walk away if Kim is not committed to end his nuclear program.
I am concerned that the United States might cancel the U.S.-North Korea summit again.
But overall, people in Seoul expect the Singapore summit to produce a positive result that will lower the potential for military conflict and move the peace process forward. Ryan Patton, VOA News, Seoul.